I'm going to share with you my top tips for getting rid of those annoying tomato pests quickly and easily, so you can actually enjoy your garden. Oh, and that's without using harmful chemicals. So if you're a tomato lover like me, there's nothing more frustrating than seeing your hard work get destroyed by a pest. Those little critters can actually ruin a crop in no time, leaving you with nothing but a bunch of damaged and rotting tomatoes. And trust me, I've been there, and I know how upsetting that can be. But don't worry, I've got a natural, effective solution that really works. Tomato pests can actually be a real nuisance, causing significant damage to your plants if not addressed quickly. Common culprits include heartworms, aphids, and whiteflies, which can actually spread disease and suck out the life of your plants. If left unchecked, these pests can actually decimate your tomato crop, leading to financial loss and a lot of disappointment. That's why it is essential to take action as soon as you spot any problems at all. But you don't need to turn to synthetic pesticides in order to fight back. There's plenty of eco-friendly strategies that are just as effective and much safer for you, your environment, and your garden. Let's start with one of my favorite tools, and that is neem oil. This natural pesticide derived from neem tree is actually effective against a wide range of pests, including aphids and whiteflies. Just dilute it with water and a little bit of mild soap, spray it on the affected areas, and you're going to see the results in just a few days. Another fantastic option is introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which they actually prey on common tomato pests. You can actually attract them naturally by planting flowers like dill, fennel, or yarrow, or you can actually purchase them online or from some of your local garden centers. Garlic spray is another homemade remedy that is really simple but yet powerful. Just blend a little bit of garlic and water, strain it, and then spray it straight onto the plants. That strong smell is going to repel many pests, and it's completely safe for your garden. Some gardeners also swear by diatomaceous earth. That's a fine powder made from fossilized algae. Just sprinkle it around the base of your plants, and when the pests crawl through it, it actually naturally dehydrates them. Just be sure to reapply that after a good rain. Some gardeners actually swear by companion planting. That involves growing certain plants along beside your tomatoes in order to deter the pest. For example, basil and marigold, they're actually natural repellents that actually keep pests at bay. Companion planting is also a proactive method that works wonders. You can also try crop rotation. Don't plant tomatoes in the same spot every year. Rotating your crops can actually break pest cycles and improve soil health, reducing the risk of infestation in the first place. And don't forget to inspect your plants regularly so you can actually catch any of these problems early. Because if you catch them early, there's a good chance that you can get on top of the problem before it gets way out of hand. In my garden, I've had great success with neem oil and beneficial insects. I've also learned that the importance of being proactive. By taking a few simple steps, you can actually avoid major pest problems. For instance, keep a close eye on your plants. One of my viewers actually shared a story with me about using garlic spray to control aphids, and it worked like a charm. Another gardening friend of mine swears by the diatomaceous earth. It's a natural substance that actually dehydrates and kills the pest. These are just a few examples of how many effective methods that are out there. Also, keep your garden clean is essential. Removing weeds, fallen leaves, and any infected plant material as they harbor pest and disease. Also, try installing physical barriers like roll covers or netting. This can actually help keep the bugs from reaching your plants in the first place. Research shows that integrated pest management, a combination of organic methods and physical barriers and good gardening practices, is actually the most suitable way to keep pests at bay. It's about working with nature and not against it. Some people worry that these methods are too time-consuming and too expensive, but they're actually very accessible. In fact, once you build up a healthy, balanced garden ecosystem, nature is going to start doing most of the work for you. So in order to get rid of tomato pests doesn't mean reaching for those harsh chemicals. With a little knowledge and a little bit of effort, you can protect your plants using natural, safe, and effective methods. Not only will your tomatoes thank you, but your whole garden is actually going to benefit from this process. So let's recap. Act fast, stay consistent, and prioritize natural solutions. By doing so, you're actually going to enjoy a healthy, thriving tomato crop and create a safer, more sustainable garden environment. Remember that great gardens don't grow from chemicals, they grow from care. Ditch the pesticides and trust nature and watch your tomatoes thrive like never before. If you've had success with any of these methods or any of your own methods, I'd love to hear about it down in the comments below. And if you're looking for more good gardening tips, be sure to check out some of my other videos. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow gardener, and let's grow something amazing together. And like always, keep it growing.